I wake up. I look at the time. Oh no, I am late. Today is my exam, a big exam. If I miss it, I will fail. I get out of bed. What can I do? I move fast. I am late. I am very late. I put on my clothes. I feel worried. I feel nervous. I take my bag. I go outside. The street is quiet. No people, no cars. Where is everyone? I walk quickly. I look at the time again. I am late. The exam is starting soon. If I miss it, I will fail. I feel worried. I walk faster, faster and faster. I run. Faster. I must go faster. I cannot stop. My heart beats fast. I run down the street. I run to the bus stop. I see the bus stop ahead. I feel hope. Maybe I can make it. I run faster. I get closer. I see the bus. The bus is here. Good. I can make it. I run fast. I am near the bus. But then the bus moves. I stop. No, not now. I watch. The bus moves away. I feel shocked. I feel worried. I miss the bus. What can I do? I am late. The exam is starting. I will fail. I take a breath. I look around. The street is quiet. I walk to the bus stop and I sit down. I wait. I look around. Nothing. I look at the time. The exam is starting now. I feel worried. I think it's too late. Then a bus comes. I see it. Is this my bus? I hope so. The bus stops. I stand up. I go inside and I sit down. I take a breath. Maybe I still have time. The bus moves. We go to school. We stop. I stand up. I get off the bus and I run to school. Faster and faster. I look at the school. It is quiet. Too quiet. Where is everyone? I stop. I look again. The door is closed. No students, no teacher. I feel confused. What is happening? I look at my phone. I look again. Wait. Today is Saturday. There is no school. There is no exam. I take a breath. I am okay. Everything is okay. I feel calm. I smile. Today I woke up late. I thought I had an exam. I ran to the bus. I missed the bus. I felt worried. But today is Saturday. There is no exam. And now I feel calm. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.